Welcome to Hana's Korean Adventure. In every lesson, I'll take you to real places in Korea. Together, we'll learn useful Korean, discover everyday life, and experience Korean culture. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we're going to learn real Korean expressions that people actually use every day. And our first stop is a Korean convenience store. Come with me. Let's check out a real Korean convenience store. Wow, Korean convenience stores are amazing. Look at all these snacks and drinks. This is one of my favorites, banana milk. 어서 오세요. 네, 이거 계산해 주세요. 봉투 필요하세요? 네. 3,000원입니다. 이 카드로 해주세요. 감사합니다. 또 오세요. 수고하세요. Did you hear those expressions? Korean people use them every day. Don't worry if you miss some of them. We'll practice them together in just a moment. Great job today! Let's look at the 5 expressions we learned. These are real Korean expressions people use every day. Number 1. 어서 오세요. In English, it means, please come in. This expression is commonly used when someone enters a store, restaurant, or even your home. In this phrase, 오세요 means come in. So when you hear 어서 오세요, someone is warmly welcoming you. Number 2. 이거 계산해 주세요. In English, it means, please check this out. Let's break it down. 이거 means this. 계산해 means calculate, and 주세요 means please give. Number 3. 봉투 필요하세요? In English, it means, do you need a bag? You will hear this very often in Korean convenience stores. 봉투 means a bag, and 필요하세요 means, do you need it? So together it means, do you need a bag? Number 4. 감사합니다. In English, it means, thank you. This is one of the most useful Korean expressions. 감사 means thanks, and 합니다 makes it polite and respectful. So 감사합니다 is the polite way to say thank you. Number 5. 수고하세요. This expression doesn't have a perfect English translation, but it means something like, keep up the good work. Koreans often say, 수고하세요 to someone who is working. It's a friendly way to show respect and appreciation for someone's effort. Great job today! Now it's your turn. Practice each expression 10 times. The more you practice, the more natural your Korean will sound. And don't forget, we'll go on another Korean adventure very soon. Hope you join us. See you next time!
Great job! Now it's for a quick quiz. I'll ask you 4 questions. You have 5 seconds to answer each one. Are you ready? Let's begin! Now it's time for our first quiz. What does 안녕하세요 mean? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is hello. Let's move on to quiz number 2. Now it's time for our second quiz. What does girl mean? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is winter. Let's move on to quiz number 3. Now it's time for our third quiz. What does 가족 mean? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is family. Let's try the final quiz. Now it's time for our last quiz. How do you say thank you in Korean? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is 감사합니다. Great job! You've learned so much today. I'm proud of you. Let's see how many you got right. Great job today. Now it's time for our bonus challenge. There were several funny AI mistakes hidden in today's lesson.
Now it's time to reveal the answers to our AI Detective Challenge. We hid 2 little AI surprises in today's story. Did you find them? Let's check the answers together.
And a heart so pure, it kept his family warm, even in the darkest winter. Guarded a fortress of gold. The other shared a kingdom of love. And their true...
Did you enjoy today's AI Detective Challenge? Now I have a question for you. If you were Heungbu, what would you do? Would you still help the swallow, even when life was difficult? Tell us what you think in the comments. And in our next lesson, and we may feature some of the comments with the most likes. I can't wait to read your answers. See you in lesson 2.
Wonderful job today. You learned new Korean words, new expressions, and completed today's challenges. But the story is not over yet. One cold day, a small swallow will suddenly appear. And that tiny bird may change Heungbu's life forever. What secret is hidden inside the mysterious gourd? Find out in lesson 2. See you soon! Thank you for learning with us today. We hope you enjoyed the story and learned some useful Korean expressions and Korean insights along the way. 오늘 수업을 준비하면서 많은 것을 배웠어요. 즐거운 시간이셨기를 바랍니다. KStory와 함께 해주셔서 정말 감사합니다.
Did you enjoy our AI Detective Challenge and quizzes? We'll keep making them even more fun. Your participation means a lot to us.
Until then, keep practicing, stay curious, and take care. See you next time. 감사합니다.